Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Samsung Reminder and granting permissions so reminders sync and notify properly. Once done, tap the plus button to create a new reminder. Enter a concise title and pick date and time. Make sure the notification toggle is on. If you want a location or contact link, add it now to attach context. This first step ensures your reminder appears where and when you expect it and sets the foundations for recurring or advanced options later. Next, flesh out the reminder so it becomes actionable. Add notes or a checklist to break the task into steps, and record a voice memo if you prefer audio cues. Choose recurrence, daily, weekly, or custom so you don't recreate the reminder. For smarter triggers, attach a location or contact. That way the reminder appears when you arrive, leave, or interact with someone. Make sure attachments are saved. They help you act on the reminder instead of just seeing it. Finish by saving and verifying the reminder in your list and confirming calendar sync if used. When the alert fires, you can snooze, open the note, or mark it complete. This keeps your workflow tidy. If a reminder doesn't appear or fail to notify, check permissions, battery optimization settings, and sync options. Disable aggressive battery saving for reminder. If notifications are muted, enable sound and pop-ups. Following these final steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.